Hi guys! Good afternoon! Good afternoon, netizens! How are ya? Say how are ya, mates? Agoy ang aibag ni Mami, walang tulog like always. Because tumaba na din ako. You need to stop breastfeeding. So Mommy can start dieting now. Say hi, netizens. Hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Dali, ulo. Say hi to everybody. You love Mommy? Do you love Mommy? Nag-arte siya, guys. Hi mga guys! Aldi, yes. May pa-flower ang aking asawa. Kakaalis lang niya noon kaninang madaling araw papuntang Sydney for work. So 1 week siya doon. Ewan ko nung nakain, nag-send ng flowers. I will arrange that on a vase. Tayo mga girls, talagang ako lang pala, ewan ko sa iba ha, pero yes, marupok ang lola pag binibigyan ng flower. Flower only. And of course, money! Ano pa? And sinahan niya rin ng strawberry, blueberry, and of course, joker din itong asawa ko Kasi alam niyang ang pinaka-favorite ko na meat ay chicken! Kulit nung itong asawa ko hindi na lang chinocolate chicken talaga. Oh, and then my Frenny, my Nepali Frenny came last night and dinalhan niya kami ng mga freebies from the company where we worked before. Doon pa rin siya nag-work. Supervisor na siya. And nagkaroon sila ng huge sale sa Adidas. And dinalhan niya kami ng free clothes. I'll show it to you. In a big box. Pero hindi puno, of course. Nilagay lang niya sa box. So, what I got is, look guys, a cutie bag. This is from Adidas. O diba? The best things in life are free. Yeah! Yes, Bella. I'll show you myself. He's happy for his mommy. Say hi! 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 Smile! Hi! Nakikisaya siya sa mami niya. So, that's John. And, meron akong pair. Sa akin daw ito, sabi niya. So, a t-shirt. Malaki ito sa akin, but I think I'll just give it to my hubby. I think it looks like it's for unisex. And then yung pants. But it's so nice of my Frenny. Nabigyan kami nito. So, track pants siya. Pair sila. But malaki sa akin. So, I think I'll give it to my hubby. And free socks. 3. Lahat ito ay Adidas. And a pair of track, how do you call it? Pullover, yung top. Sweatshirt. Adidas din. Kay hubby ito at saka pants. So pair sila. And then what else? Here. A jacket. A training jacket. So I think I'll wear this one. Still big, but I don't mind. It's free. And the last one is a pants. Obviously, this is for girls, so my husband can't wear this. So nice. These are all the clothes that I got are all free. next huge sale is December. Yes. Nung last time, nakabili kami ng tig $5 lang each items, lalo na yung mga shoes. But this time, I don't want shoes because there's so many shoes. I rarely wear them. So, nah, I don't want to. But, I'm glad and I'm very grateful sa aking friendie, sa aking Nepali friendie, bestie, for giving me all these freebies. Thank you. I'm so happy. Happy girl. Lalagay ko nga pala ito sa vase. I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you how to arrange the flower. Kala mo naman, ano? Pro. Pero mahilig din ako mag-arrange. Okay. So, i-arrange na natin, guys, ang flower. Dito sa harap yung anak ko. Don't reach it! Shh! Ingay ng aso. Minsan, ingay nila. Minsan, hindi. Sa bagay. Saan na ba yung gunting? Oh, sorry. Ito pala ang gunting. Shh! I can buy myself flowers, but it's nice kung may nagbibigay. Ay, baka makopyright ako. Hindi ba, maka-copyright pag mag-sing ka? Hindi ba? I don't know much about the rules and regulations. I haven't got the time to read the guidelines, the rules and regulation of YouTube. Kasi laging busy ang lola nyo because of my babushka. So I got no time unless tulog ang anak ko. Pag tulog naman, I'll do household chores. Ano ba? Parang malaki yung gap. May kinuha kong free, inserts sa likod ng bahay. It's not very attractive, but it's okay. Tingnan natin kung bagay, ha? Pag hindi, let me know, guys. Pag ingat pa. But I think yung leaves is enough na. I don't need that much. I don't need a lot of inserts. Yeah? Simply the best. Ika nga. I don't wanna put some inserts. I think this is alright like this. Don't you think so, guys? Yeah. Ganda. Ganda siya. Simple, pretty, pink. Yes. O, diba? O, tama na to. Tama na yan. Sayang, kinuha ko sa likod yung mga inserts ko. Should I put it? Or should I not? Nah, this is enough. I can buy myself flowers, write my name on the sand, to keep myself for hours. I can take myself dancing, I can hold my own hand, and I can love me better than you can. Can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Can love me better, I can love me na 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 na. Hindi ko na alam ang lyrics.
What?
Anyway, you guys, that's it for now. See you on my next vlog.